computer networks, cloud computing, cybersecurity. Welcome to Corvit Systems North.
This is Laiqa Hussaini from Afghanistan, and currently I'm living in Islamabad, Pakistan, and right now I'm a student in networking class at Corvit Center in Blue Area, and actually it is a project, it's a kind of project that is hold or handled, we can say, from UNHCR, and first of all I would like to say that I aware of this project from social media, and then after that I applied, and then I'm currently a student at this center and at Corvit Center, and I really appreciate this center, and because this center provides different types of tasks, useful tasks for all students. And now I would like to say that thank you so much for initially from UNHCR, and then NAVTTC, and also Corvit Center, that provide such a golden opportunity for students, especially for Afghan students.